This 5-minute solution will show you how to create a Waze account. To create a Waze account, first of all, let's install the Waze app. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Waze and install this Waze application and launch it. Tap on Continue. Tap on Continue. And here, tap on while using the app. Now tap on this profile icon at the top right. Tap on Get Started. And now to create an account, you can use your Google account or you can use your email address. So I'm gonna using my Google account to create a new Waze account, and I'm selecting my Google account here. Tapping on Allow. And that's it. This is how we can create a Waze account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.